Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of viewing all the subscribed channels on YouTube. Keeping track of your subscribed channels is a great way to stay updated with your favorite content creators. Let's get started with the full guide. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your Android device. Locate the YouTube app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're in the YouTube app, you'll notice a subscription option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this option to access your subscriptions. Step 3. Within the subscription section, look for a slide menu that displays the names of the channels you have subscribed to. This slide menu is usually located at the top of the subscription menu. Take a moment to find it. Step 4. Once you've located the slide menu, tap on the option labeled All. By tapping on All, you will be able to view all the channels you have previously subscribed to. The list will populate with the channels you follow. And just like that, you have successfully learned how to view all the subscribed channels on YouTube. This makes it easier for you to navigate and enjoy content from your favorite creators. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We're here to help you out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.